Hey, Tom here from King's Auto Repair, and today I want to show you how to check the oil on your car. Now, I know you're like, I got a mechanic for that. Well, if you have a car that burns oil, you may need to check it yourself. Now, the thing is, a lot of German cars check them through electronics. So that's a totally different video. Your older German cars, such as like probably 2008 and older, and even some of those even have electronic checks in them. So we're talking about cars that have dipsticks underneath the hood. The first thing you're gonna want to do is open up the hood on your car. Some have prop rods like this, some have gas struts. And when you find it and you get the hood open, you're going to look around for a yellow handle on the engine. Generally, with a 4-cylinder, you will find over on the passenger side, you will find the yellow handle in this general area. Most all 4-cylinders will put them in kind of this area. Toyota puts them up front like this. Honda has them in the valve cover up here. Ford has them in the valve cover. GM has them in the valve cover. But you're looking for a yellow handle. And a lot of times, like this one says, it will say engine oil on it. So let's pull this out and we'll show you. It says engine oil right on it. This is the one that we're looking for. So what we want to do is we want to pull it out. We want to have our car parked on a level surface. And we're going to wipe it off. We're going to find a rag that we don't want, maybe an old sock, something like that. You can throw it away, or if you are at the gas station, just grab a towel from the window cleaning supplies. Pull it out, wipe it off, insert it back into the hole. It fights me. I'm going to put it down. We're going to let it sit there a second, and we're going to pull it back out. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring it up, and we're going to look at where this line falls on here. Now, if we look very closely at this, what you'll see is it's very solid up to around the center of the dipstick here. Now, that's the part we're very interested in, because when we flip it over, I'm going to do it like this so it doesn't run. Turn it around. When we look at it like this, you can see it has full coverage of the dipstick till about here. Now, being that we were driving this, you can see there's traces of oil all the way up the dipstick. We're looking for where the full coverage is. So we're full coverage right about here. And right about where that's at, you see there, as you can see, there are two little dimples on here. And those little dimples are, this is the high full mark, this is the low mark. Anywhere between those two marks, that means you have an acceptable engine oil level. Being that this car had full coverage of the dipstick right around here, we know that it is still in the safe level, but it is slightly low from the full mark. So where we're going to need to kind of worry is when we get down and we don't have full coverage below this low mark, and that means you need to add 1 quart of oil when it gets down below that mark. And 1 quart will bring it right back up to the full. So when we go and we check it, we want to make sure our dipstick has full coverage where it's at. Now, if you need to add oil to the car, your engine oil cap will be on top of the motor. This one here shows that there are 2 different oils we can put in this. Just really depends what's there. And when you go to get oil for your car, generally you want to look at the cap. This cap says we can use 5W20 or 0W20. Either one will work in this car. It's not going to affect it either way. You'll probably actually get a little bit better fuel mileage with the 0W20 because it is a slightly thinner oil for wintertime use. That is what the number next to the W means. It means winter. So we're gonna go, we'll find oil that fits this, and then we would pour it into the opening right here and put our cap back on. And then we would check it again to make sure it is full. So that right there is how we check oil on a car. And hopefully you have your rag and you can keep your hands clean while you do it, fold it around and throw it away when you're done. So I hope you found this informative. I hope it helps. If you're working on a truck that has an engine that faces front ways, like all your pulleys and all the belt and everything are right here, and the exhaust is on the side, you will generally find the dipstick on this side or this side. You will not find it at the front. You will always find them on the sides. And sometimes when they do that, they like to make the handles black, so you have a hard time finding them. But you're generally looking for something with a yellow loop like this. So, hope that helps you kind of learn how to check oil and how to make sure that you're not overfilling or underfilling the engine in your car. Have a great day.